The third-generation plain truss production line, PMHJ-400, is newly developed by YZ Technology. It's a special equipment for the production of plain trusses. It's composed of payoff mechanism, traction straightening mechanism, buffer storage mechanism, bending forming mechanism, welding mechanism, clamping straightening mechanism, shearing mechanism, automatic blanking mechanism, electric control system, and other 9 major components. The equipment has a high degree of automation and easy operation. It can produce truss height 50 to 400 millimeters, wave spacing 180 to 600 millimeters, stepless adjustable. The diameter of the web bar can be changed between 3 to 8 millimeters. The diameter of the upper and lower bar can be adjusted within 6 to 12 millimeters, and the truss length 1.5 to 6 meter, which can be adjusted according to customer requirements. Maximum production efficiency is 18 meters per minute. The design advantages of the production line. 1. The use of automatic wave bending system. 2. The wave spacing can be adjusted in a wide range. 3. Simple structure, easy to adjust. 4. Stable equipment and reliable operation, fast speed, etc. It can achieve the welding of plain trusses of different specifications. The research and development of the third generation of plain truss production line has achieved the real needs of customers with different specifications and models of plain truss, and the equipment has greatly improved the overall production efficiency and reduced the labor cost. The main application scope covers PC prefabricated component industry, floor plate industry, and other prefabricated building fields.